Yo, what's going on, you guys? What's going on? Welcome back to another video with your boy Abe Shaw. Man, I feel like I'm about to say, usually I used to always say, like, I feel like it's been a minute, but it's truly been a minute since I dropped a YouTube video. Like, I realized this past weekend, I'm like, bro, like, I have not, well, not even this past weekend, this past week, I realized, like, bro, I have not dropped a video in like a month. Dang near, I feel like it's been it said my last video was 3 weeks ago when I was giving y'all market analysis for US 30. And actually looking at that video, I might look at it real quick. So maybe in this video I might put like a clip showing y'all around the time when I was breaking that video down. Particularly US 30 was around 38,000. I'm looking at it real quick. I was giving y'all a sell setup around that area, and then I was talking about breakouts as well around 38,166. And for those that haven't been under the rock, for my people that have still been trading on the charts and stuff, US 30 is currently now sitting at 40,000. Well, $39,999. That's where it closed at on Friday, right? So it's crazy. Even though like I haven't been on YouTube giving y'all providing y'all value, for my people that actually held that same position from 3 weeks ago that I gave you that setup for, shout out to you for holding. Like, the market has been going crazy. And I know a lot of y'all probably like, bro, where have you been? Or like, you probably was like, Dana just disappeared. You almost forgot about me for a second. But don't worry, I'm back. I'm back on YouTube. I'm back posting videos, back dropping weekly content. And it could be daily, but probably like every other day. Or, of course, back to the Sunday. So like this video right here, back to our Sunday market analysis, as well as probably every other day. Or I'm gonna at least want to do like at least 2 to 3 videos. I'm gonna start dropping for y'all a week. I'm gonna get back on that type of consistency with it. But really, I just been trading, obviously. Really just been focusing more in the academy. So if my academy members is watching this video, like, dang, bro, you finally posting a video on YouTube. Like, I've been dropping hella wealthy talks videos over in the academy where I'm giving like different scenarios, either trading analysis, trading mindset talks, or just different trade breakdowns for different trades that my mentees are trading, or probably even you guys that are trading. So for people that trade like gold, US 30, you guys already gotta trade the indices. But when we're talking about like anything consistent with trading, fundamental challenges, all the whole nine, that's what I've been focused on in the actual academy. So I haven't really been posting more on YouTube, just because I've been making sure I've been giving hella gems and hella value in the academy per se. But don't worry, I am gonna be back. So for people that's like, dang, hey, like, you kind of like ghosted us for a month, don't do it again, I got you, I'm sorry. But if you want full access to me, just join the academy, because that's why I'm providing literally daily value, daily content, daily, even down to, I just realized academy members is watching this, make sure y'all go vote in the community chat on the website. So for my people that trade cryptocurrency, I am debating on dropping a cryptocurrency chat. The last Bitcoin setup that I just gave out in the chat smashed all TPs for like, I want to say, actually, I might be able to pop it up right now. The buy entry that I gave you off for Bitcoin, yep, I'm looking at it right now. So the buy entry I gave you off for Bitcoin was at 61,944. Bitcoin is currently sitting at 66,885. Now, the 4 TPs I gave y'all was a 13,000 pip move, but if you held that position, we're talking about like literally 50,000. And yes, I'm saying, I'm not exaggerating when I'm saying this number, because cryptocurrencies, depending on the broker that you use, is 10 times more volatile than the indices within itself. You just gotta know how to trade it and when to trade it. But for my people that did it for long-term positions, right, technically you're still up 6,000 in profit from the 61K entry that we took, right? So that's a quick update on that. What else has I been doing? Obviously, I've been doing a lot of trading rooms. Live trading session has been going great. As we start to go, I know in the month of May I have like special days, so I'm adding on bonus days, like on bonus days on Fridays, bonus days on Wednesdays when there's special news that come out for GBP. That's why I'm having those bonus days. So for my people that haven't checked out the calendar for that, make sure I stay tuned for that. As I go into June though, so for all my live trading room people, all my academy member people, I gotta figure out what my June schedule is gonna look like for the live trading room. Either I'm gonna start transitioning back to breakdown videos before the New Year session and give it to y'all that way, or we will continue to have the live trading sessions. But it truly depends on how many people are joining. Like this past week, okay, it was a decent amount of people, but I have a goal in mind where I need a certain amount of people on. And if not, then it's like, okay, cool, there's no point in me having the live trading sessions anymore. I just go back to the breakdown videos, so that way we're not wasting each other's time. So if you're in the live trading room, you're watching this video right now, you better make sure you start taking advantage, because if by the end of May, as I start to see if more people are joining again, then cool, I'll start hosting more. Stay tuned for that. What else? Signal chats have been booming. Literally SPS US 30, NAS 100, Germany 40. For my people that trade the indices. Right, I talk about this every single time on the YouTube space. Like my signal chats, how it worked. Originally, I had each chat going for a different price. Like each chat was their own monthly fee. Now I transitioned it to where basically in the past I had one big old chat and you join one signal chat, and I used to call trades on all of the indices. Now I wanted to make it more organized and make it more make it more clear. So like when you join the all indices package, you will get access to each different chat. So like if you're like, okay, cool, I really only want SPS, so I really only want to trade SPS and US 30, but I would be willing to trade Germany 40 in the future. Cool, you still have access to that chat. I'm just separating it so that way when I call trades, you're not getting lost, you're not getting consumed by all the trade ideas and all the alerts that I'm sitting on in the chat. So to avoid all that, that is the reason why I split up the actual pairs into their own specific actual like chat. So SPS has its own chat, US 30 has its own chat, NAS 100 has its own chat. Last thing, I feel like I'm just doing like a whole bunch of updates right now because it's truly been a minute since I've talked to y'all, so I want to make sure I give y'all updates on everything. I have about, so dang, I feel bad because I haven't told y'all. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would know. But even on Instagram, I literally haven't really been posting crazy. I've been posting on my profits page more, so I've been doing good with being consistent on that again, posting that for you guys, just to give y'all an insight, let y'all see what's really going on. So if you haven't followed the profits page, I'll put that up right here. But I'm trying to think what I was about to say. Oh, over here. So I haven't posted on YouTube, but I did indeed open up my personal mentorship spots again for this year. Now, technically, there is only still one personal mentorship spot left, but I think since I haven't really been dropping on YouTube for you guys, I will only, I'll probably do 3. I'll probably open up 3 spots for y'all. So like literally, I'm not posting this nowhere on Instagram, I'm not posting this nowhere on TikTok or nothing. This is gonna be exclusive for YouTube. So if you follow me on YouTube, DM me and tell me like, hey, like I'm interested in your personal mentorship spot, and I'll open it for you. So it's gonna be 3 spots for one of y'all, for one of the 3. Well, I got over 300 people now in my subscriptions, but not a good one. But yeah, so I have 3. I'm gonna open up 3 spots for my subscribers. So I got over 300 people on YouTube right now. Shout out to everybody that's been subscribing. Shout out to everybody that's been showing support and that's still been rocking with me, even if I have been on a hiatus, right? So I'm gonna open up 3. You know what? I feel like 3 is not enough a margin for 300 people. Nope, I'm gonna keep it at 3. So my goal is, how I'm thinking, the first launch when I did the personal mentorship last year, I opened up 5 spots, right? All my personal mentees are doing good. My goal with those personal mentees in particular, like even just now, even with you guys watching this video, my goal with personal mentorship is basically I'm teaching you, I'm giving you everything that I know, all the knowledge is in my head about how I trade, when it comes to taking reversals, when it comes to entering multiple positions, when it comes to taking profit, knowing when to swing trade, knowing when to take profit, knowing when to scalp, knowing when not to scalp, knowing what time that you want to trade in the markets. I'm teaching you all that in the personal mentorship program, as well as you're getting hands-on experience where you can do one-on-one calls with me whenever you guys want, as well as you schedule. You obviously get to the live trading room. Obviously, if you have questions throughout the day, you literally will have my personal phone number where you can text me throughout the day, like, hey, what you think about this setup? And I'm going to respond. In the past, I used to send out exactly when I'm entering trades, so that way y'all can enter right when I do that. But I noticed that could be a blessing and a curse at the same time. So for me, if I'm entering, let's say I enter my sniper entry, you might not be used to being in a little drawdown before taking off. If that's the case, that can hurt your account versus like helping you. Versus like there are trades where obviously I have trades that hit going straight blue. But just keeping in mind that too, like a trade for me, if I'm entering a trade, like I have over 6 figures in the account now. So me entering drawdown, I'm not really paying attention to my account. I'm using great risk management. But that takes me to my next point, using great risk management. So if you want me to test you when I'm actually entering trades, I got you. Plus, obviously, if you're on a live trading call, 9 times out of 10, I'm already telling you when I'm entering the trade anyway, as well as kind of like y'all get my main personal setups that I'm looking for throughout the day. But that's what I was saying. I'm over here getting tangent. So what I was saying originally, my personal mentorship program, bro, my goal is, like, even with my sales chat is just to teach you or just help get you profitable. My personal mentorship is to really teach you the skill, teach you everything that you need to know. My goal is long term that you do not need me anymore. Like, as your mentor, it is my job to make you so sufficient that if I was to disappear off the face of the world, if I was to pass away, you would still have everything, all the tools, all the resources that you should be 100% confident that you could duplicate everything that I do 1,000%, right? Regardless if you got a large account or a small account, right? So, like, that's my goal. Like, I want to create personal mentees that literally don't even need me for real. Like, for me, that's a flex for myself. Like, my mentees, like, if they obviously, I don't want you guys to gain an ego, you feel me? But, like, if all my mentees, my goal is that I want you to get to the point where you don't need me. Like, you appreciate everything I've done for you, right? Obviously, you give me my flowers because I gave you the sauce, right? But you're telling me the setups that you're looking for. You're testing me. Now I got mentees testing me like, hey, this the trade I just caught off of US 30. Like, I was able to scout this. I knew the sales was coming before the buys. I'm like, sheesh. I'm fired up because, like, dang, like, I remember a year ago, you didn't know nothing about trading for real, or you had a little experience, like you was making minor mistakes, to now you're blossoming into a better trader. You're becoming a better person, a better trader in the industry, whether you're trading indices or if you're trading currencies. Obviously, you guys know I specialize in trading indices, but yes, I could teach the same when it comes to trading the currencies as well. The strategy that I use work on both currencies and indices. Obviously, indices are more volatile, so that's the reason why I am on that side. So I say all that to say, I'm gonna open up. I'm really trying to think. I'm gonna keep it at 3 because I still want it to be exclusive, and I don't do big personal mentorships because I want it to be as personable as possible. I want to be as hands-on as possible with each one of my mentees. For the next group that I'm doing, I'm not gonna put you guys in a group chat. Maybe afterwards, maybe 6 months afterwards, I'll put y'all in a group chat. But in the beginning, I want it to really just be hands-on, me and you, so that way you can feel like you're getting that one-on-one time with me and that one-on-one approach with me, instead of joining the group chat and just be like, I started a whole other group chat with the second group of mentees that I'm offering. So you know what? No, I'm not gonna do 3. I'm gonna open up 5 spots. So 5 spots. I'm only gonna post it here on YouTube. Maybe I'm trolling. Maybe I will. I might. I'm not gonna post. I'm gonna post this part. Me saying there's 5 spots on YouTube, only for you. Y'all gonna know that it's only 5 personal mentorship spots available. So if out of all the 384 subscribers I have currently, the next 5 personal mentorship spots, as we go into where we're already in Q2, but as we start to get into our summer months, for my people that really want to rock with me, I was gonna do a boot camp in June, but you know what? I feel like this would be way more better. So I'm gonna open up 5 spots because the boot camp was gonna be exclusive too. The boot camp was probably gonna be 8 spots I was gonna do for the boot camp, but instead this is even better. So personal mentorship, 5 spots. Since I've been gone, I'm gonna do y'all even a bigger favor. My personal mentorship currently is $2,500 a month. I'm gonna set it to $1,500. I mean $2,500 a month. I'm sorry. My personal mentorship to gain access to me for the entire year and so on. Like, for me, my personal mentorship lasts for a lifetime. I don't believe in, like, every year you gotta renew your membership. I don't care about that. Like, you show me that you're willing to invest in yourself, you got me for life. And that goes all the way down to me getting my headquarters. That will be coming this year. Joining us, you get access to the headquarters, everything, like being like a group of people that's actually serious about it. So what I'm gonna do is not a year, not a monthly fee. I'm tripping. I don't know why that even came out of my mouth. $1,500, 5 spots, $1,500, lifetime access for the year. After this year, that's when I'm gonna start. I probably, because I know I said in the beginning of the year I was gonna do. I know I said in the beginning of the year I was thinking about doing like I said I was gonna really be done with the personal mentorship, honestly. Like I'll start transitioning to, once I get the headquarters, maybe I'll do open boot camp sessions there. But we'll see how I feel. So currently 5, I'm gonna open up for 5. I'm gonna take it off my site right now. I'm gonna take the one person mentorship spot. All I'm gonna say on Instagram is they better watch this video. So I'm over here 15 minutes into yapping. Wow, this is what happens when you have me on YouTube in a minute. Now I gotta do a whole bunch of update series. So basically, yes, 5 spots. $1,500 to join my personal mentorship, hands-on membership. First 6 months, you and me, mano to mano. After those 6 months, it's crazy because it's really not even gonna take 6 months. So what we thinking? If you guys join in May, or whenever you guys join, so May, June, July, August, that'd be fun. Because August is my birthday month, and I'm doing something big for August. So cool. August, if you guys join now, so you got from now to August. So August is when I'll make the group chat and let you guys meet each other, or obviously as you guys, if you want that, I'll do it. But I really want it to be more hands-on so that way y'all can get that personable experience. This is not your regular personal mentorship program. Like, I don't even want to consider myself a trader influencer yet. I don't even want to be put into that bracket because, like, my style of being hands-on with my mentees is very different. Like, I'm not too big. I don't have a big of an ego. Like, I am just a young black male from Detroit. You feel me? And willing to give the same value that I got, or the value that I wish I got more of, like more hands-on, more approach back in my younger days of trading myself. So, definitely rambling for 16 minutes. Oh my goodness. I'm going to give y'all 2 Sunday breakdowns. One for gold and one for one of the indices. Once I actually look over here and decide which one looks the cleanest. I'm gonna really just open y'all eyes and show y'all like what I'm looking for this week on the markets, like what I genuinely want to see, and then we'll end it off with that. So without further ado, man, let's get back to our breakdowns, man. It feels good to be back. It feels good to just talk to y'all. I'm sorry I just literally just went on a rant like that. I'm excited for my people that join the personal mentorship. I'm gonna know who's serious. I'm gonna know who's not. Right, personal mentees. Like when you become my personal mentor, I'm not gonna hold your hand. Right, I'm gonna guide you. I'm gonna give you all the resources. We're gonna do one-on-ones, but you gotta be willing to put in the work. You gotta be willing to study the craft, study the skill, and actually be a sponge to the information. Leave the ego at home. I don't care how many years you've been trading. Right, I don't care about none of that. Yes, you can tell me you got experience, but it's a reason why you want me to be your personal mentor. So leave the ego at home. Be a sponge to the information. Actually put in the work. I'm not gonna baby you. I'm not gonna hold your hand. I'm here to guide you. We're supposed to be at this point, it's like a partnership. Like, bet, what's up, bro? Like, you my fam. Like, what's up? That's me backing y'all up. Like, we fam. I'm gonna show you how to get this money for real. I'm gonna show you how to take this skill and run with it and run up the play, run up a bag with it. Because the way I'm telling y'all, the way these markets has truly been so simple to see. And I'm not even about to go on another rant again because I could really go. But it's like, bro, I don't even want to say it. Like, I always say, like, bro, like, you get to a point in trading where it really becomes, I don't want to say easy. You get to a point in trading where it really becomes simple. Like, that's what I'm going to say. Like, and I can ask any one of my mentees, if any one of my mentees watching this video right now, like, leave a comment below. Like let them know, like, yes, bro, like, this has become so simple. You see the chart so different when you understand which way, like this, which way the markets is going, and when you understand how your pair moves, like, it just don't get that better than this. So, without further ado, let's get in today's breakdown. Why does the light look like that over here? Alright, what's going on? So first off, let's look at this gold setup. Gold has been going crazy, been in strong uptrends. These sales, this is like one of the last sales. So it's funny because I called a buy around here for my center shots people, but this is one of the sales setups that I was able to send out for them over here. But it's cool. Because ironically, you can see like that sell area that I had would have been perfect if it was coming back inside the zone. But of course, whoops, went too far. Of course, it wasn't ready to come back inside the zone just yet. Created a higher low and took off for those buys, which is great because now, when I come to this forward, I'm looking at gold and I'm trying to see, okay, what am I thinking? It did exactly what our indices did. Like, it went back to continue those uptrend pushes that it was already on in the beginning of the year. It sold off in April, and then it was slowly making its way back to the top of the zone. So as we get into this week, I don't even know, I haven't even me come over here. I haven't even looked at the news or nothing to see what was the outlook for this week. What's happening? So Sunday, power sleeping cool. Monday, okay. Tuesday should be good. Existing home sales. FOMC meeting minutes. That should be smooth. This gonna be a big day. Thursday London session, yes. Yes. And I believe on the calendar for my live trading people, this Thursday should be, our call should be starting at 3 a.m. instead of 2. I'm gonna check. And then Friday. Okay, so yeah, so Thursday is gonna be a big day, per usual. Wednesday is gonna be a big day. These meeting minutes at 2:30, 2:15ish, we're gonna see the markets take back off again. And then Monday and Tuesday probably will be chill. So Monday and Tuesday should be mellow. Nothing too much should be going on. So let's come to the charts and let's see what I'm looking for. So obviously, here's the key resistance level for the week. We're gonna respect a full retest back to the top of this zone, right? Once it gives us this full retest back to the top of this zone, so let me show y'all what it should look like. There's gonna be a lot of people. There's gonna be a lot of people that's gonna have sell orders right at this area right now. So keep that in mind. Do not be one of those when you ready. But I'm anticipating, right? What I'm actually gonna give y'all is a breakout entry. So we're gonna take a breakout setup for once it closes above 24.30. We'll start looking for buys. But besides this entry, I will give you guys another setup. We're gonna get an entry off of the higher low. So this is the previous resistance level that the market broke out of. So this is all I want us to see and look for on the charts. So boom, retest back to this zone. The market retest, it can even come inside this zone for all I care, right? Retest, give us a full retest back inside the zone. Once the market comes back out of this zone, look for the buys once again at 2400. We get that, that is going to be your buy entry. TP1, I would probably say, so remember this is trade idea, so TP1 50 pips. TP2 86 pips. TP3 we're gonna go for 100. Actually, since it's right here, why not 120? And then we're gonna go ahead and take it back for that full retest back to the top. I'll say that last one for like up here. So cool, a nice 216 pip move. This is gonna be trade idea number 1. Stop loss that I'll look for is always 50 pips. Boom. And what I'm gonna start doing for YouTube, I really want to start, like, I'm done with this. Gonna put this on the side later. I want to get back to publishing this, and then so that way you guys can like start following along with me on TradingView if you want to as well. Gold buy. Wow, that was terrible. Gold buy setup. And I don't really feel like typing this. Okay, you know what? I'll type it. So what am I looking for? Same thing I just said in this video. I am looking for a retest back to the previous zone stretcher. Once we get the retest and it closes above, comma, then we can look for the continuation for the buys. Boom. All right, and I feel like that comment was stupid. Hold on. Once we get the retest and it closes above, I guess that comment was good. All right, let me go for the continuation. If my grammar is wrong, my bad. Long position. Make this public for y'all. And then, yeah, all right. So I made it published. I published it for the public. What was that? Failed to open page. All right. If it's on there, it's on there. If it's not, actually, I can just check right here. Yep, cool. It's right there. So that's officially my buy setup, my theory of what I want to look for. As you can see here, so far people do have strong buys, but I know it's gonna be 1,000 people that's looking for these sales at the top. So what I want us to do. This is really the main buy entry that I want to look for. If you, dang, I don't have the free send chat no more. I think I do. Just join the currency send chat. It's only, I think, 150. How much is the currency send chat? Let's see. I could have sworn I built the market my site. How do I not have my own site up here? Wealthy traders. There you go. Wow. Alright, just join the currency stimulus chat. Currency stimulus chat is, I want to say 150, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. Currency stimulus chat, 150, one-time fee. Join the currency stimulus chat. Get access to, because like this is the main setup I'm giving you off of YouTube. But if I do indeed see like a fake breakout at the top, I will go ahead and call it a sell. But so I'm not gonna get that right now because I just want to go based off of the buys right now. And of course, the market is likely to change. So if you want my actual full gold analysis, just join the chat and then you'll get access to that. Now, if it break out of this zone at the top, so I said I was gonna get out both of them, right? If it break out the zone for the top and gold decides to go for new highs, which I'm already anticipating anyway, this is what I would love to see. Same thing with our indices. I'm mad it's funny. That's so funny saying that out loud. So I'm mad my take profits hit early on my gold trade because I'm not gold. On US 30, I had US 30 going to 40,000, right? So for me, I need to bring this up. I had US 30 going for 40,000. It hit my take profits, right? So, alright, so how do you bring this up or you bring this down? Alright, cool. So yeah, so I had my US 30 trade at 40,000 trades my TP. Am I anticipating potentially a breakout? Yes, I am. Am I sick that I heard he took profit? Yes, not really, because they really grew a 100K account to 1.2. So we're not really tripping, but still, it's like, dang, but that could have been a trade I could have held for the, I really want to do that. A trade I could have held for the entire year. And it's funny that I'm just talking like this right now, but it's cool. Alright, so we're gonna make this the bonus TP. This will go ahead and be our last setup. And I'm gonna drop both of these. Academy members watching this, don't worry. Both of these will be on the website for y'all as well. Buy new highs. Buy breakout setup. I don't feel like giving a full breakdown analysis on that. If they want it, tell them to come find my YouTube channel, and then they'll get it from there. We can't publish this idea for you just yet. Gosh, that's a bit. Oh my goodness. Where did it go? Hey, to my wow, that's such a buy breakout setup. Looking for new highs out of the resistance levels. Cool. Let's see if that's good enough. Dang, trading view, y'all so extra. Alright, thank you. Alright, cool. So that's officially the gold setup for both the buy setup off of a higher low entry and the buy setup based off of if it decides to break out of a zone. Next, let's go ahead and look into which indices do I want to focus on. Let's see. This setup was so beautiful, bro. Oh my gosh, the way I've been seeing the charts, the way these breakouts just have been, bro, like, I could do this junk all day. I really could do this junk all day. Alright, so let's talk about Germany 40. This one in particular is going to be interesting. This is going to be the one I focus on. So delete everything. Germany 40 is going to be the new indice that I'm focused on probably for this month because I really want y'all to get hip to this hidden gem. So what I'm seeing on the chart, what we're seeing on the chart, look, 1 hour, 4 hour, MA cross. I have my specific MA parameters that I use, but this is a beautiful sell entry that we was able to catch. Even in a 4 hour time frame, it was showing potential setups that a long-term sell position was coming. Now, I don't really care about these indicators for real, right? Skip that. None of that matters. I want us to focus on what the other indices are doing. As of right now, all of the other indices did start their pullbacks, but at the same time, they're holding strong at the resistance levels. So what I'm anticipating on Germany 40 this week in particular, ooh, that's about to be fire. That is about to be fire. Y'all, what I just, Academy members, my fifth strategy, make sure y'all have that in play on Thursday. I'm about to call it out now. This is exactly what Germany 40 is about to do. Alright, cool. We got, I'm not about to place that on here right now. We're about to, what I'm anticipating to see, if we can get a full retest, that'll be amazing. But no, that's not even what I'm anticipating. I want to see Germany 40 come to about roughly right here. So for the remainder of this week, so Monday to about Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday is when that news comes out. From Monday to Thursday, we should be seeing Germany 40 calling for the buys, giving us a retest up into this area. News will drop. Once this news will drop, we will from there see Germany 40 starts to go for sell opportunities. And then we might see a continuation for the downtrend, or we might just see a retest back here. That's going to be fire. If it does give us that full push to the upside, that would be great as well. But I want to anticipate this buy push for the shorts. Well, short positions for the buys, and then we'll look for the long positions for the sells. For some people that's technical, people be like, bro, what are you talking about? Longs is buys, shorts is sells. But y'all get what I'm saying. Like, scalper, basically, let me say that. I'll be looking for day trading scalper positions for the buys up into this area, and then long-term positions, day trading swings for sales around here. Unless the market get the booming and they get the taking off for the buys. But regardless, this will be the buying tree that I'll be giving you guys. Once it comes out of this zone around 187.60, this will be the buying tree setup that you guys can look for. Stop loss is going to be 250 pips. I love this, bro. And it's going to be funny because I'm going to get ready to update y'all. And this is how we know. So Thursday alone, we already know. I'm giving y'all an update video by that time. Letting you guys know how the market's actually played out. So we got 2 videos already for the week that we already dropping. And then I actually still have some old videos that I recorded but never actually edited and stuff. So that's going to be some more game for y'all that I'm going to give out. Something for this third one. We're going to put orange on this one. And then this last one is going to be at 250. Boom. Alright, so this is officially the last setup that I will be giving you guys for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this breakdown for both of those pairs, as well as everything I said in the intro of this video. We are officially back, man. It feels good to be back. And yeah, I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.